Hi there, welcome to SuretyDoc. Let's get you on your way to doubling your productivity. To begin, let's proceed with your registration, or log in if you've already completed the registration process. Click Login or Register in the top right of the screen. You'll encounter two registration options. You can either choose to sign up using your existing Google account or opt for registration through SuretyDoc. For those who have already registered, simply click on the Login text. Choose the option you used for registration, and then click the corresponding Continue With button. You have now landed on the Asset dashboard and logged in. Firstly, ensure you are on the Create an Asset page. To get there, ensure you're logged in and click on the Create an Asset tab at the top of the page. The next step is to provide the asset a picture. This will allow you to easily recognize the asset in the future. Then let's give it a name and a location. The name field is required, but you may choose if your asset needs a location. Once you have done that, you now have the choice to add a quick description or notes to this asset. The Notes section is handy to list key box codes and access hours info for physical assets, or just quick reminders for yourself. Lastly, we can make this asset publicly findable by toggling the Make Public toggle. To bring it all together, click the Create button. Now that you have an asset, let's proceed to add a selection of files and data to it. Returning to the Asset dashboard, click on the View icon or directly on the asset's image to access its contents. Proceed to the Upload Files drop zone and select a file to initiate the upload process. Once selected, allow the file to upload. To complete the upload, click the Upload New Files button. Each asset has a few quick actions attached to it. Let's run through them. The first is the View File action. Next is the Chat with this file action. Then, the Send this file action. Delete this file. Next is Download the file. This is the Show File Information action. And lastly, Edit the file name action. Let's run through using Surety AI Chat. Surety AI can understand multiple file types, and they are ever increasing. Click the chat icon and allow Surety AI a few seconds to read your file. Once read, you are ready to start asking questions. There are commonly used quick actions to assist, but you can always type your own question and click the Ask button. Surety AI will then find the most appropriate answer based on the file's contained information. Each response has a Copy and Share Quick Action button. This allows for the seamless sharing of the insights found. You can also toggle the Download Transcript checkbox. This will export a CSV copy of the entire discussion on exit of this chat. Let's try a Quick Action button. As you can see, Surety AI has found the most appropriate answer and presented it in an easy-to-understand context. We can simply copy the suggested question, paste it into the question field, and continue our discovery. To wrap up, you might notice three icons on the right-hand side. The first icon from the top allows you to clear the current chat. Second down is View the file you are questioning in a separate window. And lastly, there is a Memory Wipe function, which when actioned will clear the chat and any lingering ideas the former discussion had. This brief walkthrough should help you get started, but remember that you can always reach out if you need any further assistance.